Hey everybody, this video today is going to be introducing a new product that we're pushing out. It's called the cumulative patches. It's been a while since we fielded our Windows 10 system, over a year now. So if you were to have a workstation go down, offline, replace the workstation, there's a lot of updates that we've pushed out over the last year, and it might take you some time to figure out everything that you needed to do to get that workstation back online and patched and updated and ready to go. What we're trying to do here is to reduce that workload on you by creating a central cumulative patches file that we update monthly, and we can send it to you. This will follow the same patching process you've been using before, but this will hopefully streamline and set up that workstation. We've used it here, tested it significantly. We can take a workstation from a fresh image to up to date and patched, ready to go. It takes us about 3 hours to do it. So I'm going to walk you through what you're going to get and what it's going to look like. If you ever need this, just reach out to us at the AFAS help desk. We'll be happy to upload it and send it to you. But hopefully this saves you all some time down the line. What you're going to get is a cumulative patches zip folder, just like you do your monthly patches folder. You want to take this to your admin workstation. Regardless of what workstation you're replacing, you're still going to run this from your admin workstation. The important thing is when you have a new workstation, you need to run an image disk, you need to run your configuration disk, and you need to have it connected and online, ready to go. You can go ahead and load your IDS5 display pages and restore it from a backup or whatever you need to do, Workstation Recovery Demand Sync. But you need to have it online, connected to the network, ports open, to where it can communicate back and forth with your admin. Okay? Once you have all that done, we'll send you this cumulative zip file. You'll take it, put it on your desktop of your admin workstation. Right click it and choose Extract All, and choose Extract. This is quite a large file. It's about 4 gigs currently. It may grow to a degree, but this is going to do everything from patches for the last year. It's going to update your Adobe software from the 2015 to the current DC version that we sent out in July. It's going to upgrade you to IDS5 1.9.1. Any of the other tweaks and adjustments that we've had to make every month and send out, and they were working in the background, it's going to include all of that in there. So when this is done, this workstation will be just like every other workstation that you have, up to date, ready to go, and then you can just take over getting your monthly patches and applying it to this workstation. Now that we have it extracted, you're going to have a cumulative patches folder. Double click it. You're going to have 2 batch files, file transfer and launch interface. We will need this launch interface after we get into the file transfer. I'll talk about it some more. So just like a monthly patch, double click your file transfer. Press any key to continue, so we'll press enter. It's going to start loading a ton of files. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff in here, close to 4 gigs worth of data. 419 files to be exact currently, and this is always going to be updated as we go forward. File transfer complete, press any key to launch interface. So we press a key. It's going to launch our interface, okay? Notice our interface has a lot more buttons than it did before. We've got 10 steps currently, and as we have new things that have to be adjusted, these steps may increase greater than 10. So let's walk through what they are. Distribute files. This is just like the monthly patching process. It's going to distribute it out to the workstation. Install features. There's a lot of features that we had to make edits for, and we had to do things in the background. This is going to install those. We had to change some audit poll settings. This is going to fix that. Again, this is all stuff that's happened over the last year. 4, install patches. This is going to install our patches and have you patched through the current month. Every month when we send you out patches, we update this file as well, and it will also have whatever the current month of patches is, and previous. Apply patches and reboot, okay? You need to reboot the workstation prior to applying the next set of patches, okay? So you'll run this, and it's going to reboot whatever workstation you're applying these patches to. You'll come back to this interface when that workstation is back online and install the Adobe software. Set up Adobe. You'll do the IDS5 1.9.1 update. Then you'll run a cleanup. That's going to save all these patches for you in case you need them later. And then you're going to run a final reboot on that workstation. Once that final reboot's complete, your workstation should be ready to go, patched up, and usable. So I'm going to go through the first distribute patches to show you what that's going to look like, and you'll repeat the process 2 through 10. So we're going to click our distribute patches. At the bottom, we get the pop-up, and it's telling us, do you want to open distribute patches? We're going to choose open. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes, we do. Here's our distribute. This is the same script we use in our monthly patches. It shouldn't look any different. Left column, we're going to right click, load from registry. We don't need to push this to all the workstations that we have here at AFSA. So I'm going to get rid of all but one. So for example, this would be the new workstation that was just imaged, put online, needs to get patched. That's only one we need to add in this left column. We're going to choose our green run arrow. We're going to put admin, and we're going to enter our password we used to log into the computer. We'll click OK and it will run. Again, it's moving 4 gigs worth of data, so it could take some time to run to move that file over. When you get the done command, close your distribute patches and start with the next item, install features. Again, you'll click install features. We'll choose open at the bottom. Yes. Right click in the left column, load from registry. Delete the workstations that this does not apply to, and choose run. Same process 10 times. Once that's all done, you will have an up-to-date workstation ready to go following an image process. Hopefully this helps you guys out, saves you some time. Please reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We're always looking for feedback here in the office. Thanks for watching the video.